Hey everyone, you're watching Valor. Today, I'll show how to share a VPN connection from an Android phone using a hotspot. First, turn on your internet and enable the hotspot. I'm doing this via Wi-Fi. Yes, enable the hotspot. Don't forget to turn on your internet. Next, we need a VPN. I use Turbo VPN. I'm already connected and using every proxy. Open the app and add our IP address in the pencil icon. Here's mine. Click Save. Enable this proxy. My port is 8080. On your computer, connect to this network. Go to Control Panel. Then to Internet Options. Status, Tasks, Internet Settings, LAN Settings, Use Proxy. Enter the every proxy IP and port 8080. Click OK and you'll have a VPN connection. Like and subscribe. This was Valor. See you later.